So, baka nagtataka kayo, no? Bakit ganito? Paano nagawa ni FKM yung ganyan, okay? Explain ko lang ng mabilisan, ano? FKM is a Singaporean registered company. Alright? And yung ties ni FKM, because si FKM, malaking company yan sa Singapore. Okay? They bring in lots of different brands in Singapore. And one of these brands is actually the mother brand of this bike, which is an Austrian brand, and it's Brixton, right? So this bike originates from Austria. Okay, it's designed in Austria, but the manufacturing is already in Guangzhou, China. Alright, and si FKM lang ang makakagawa nun dahil FKM has the ties, they have the connection to make it happen, to put that badge of the Flying Knights motorcycles para sa atin. Okay, so this is a very high quality bike. Like, I'm gonna put this bike in my bucket list right now. Okay, like right now. I'm gonna put this in my bucket list. I'm gonna have this one soon. By the way guys, this is the Fyro. Na-review na natin to. We have the Juke 150. Okay, the classic bike of Juke. And then of course, yung Coolser. Pinakita ko yan kanina sa live ni Coach Edsel. Also, watch out for my review of the Coolser. Grabe handling nito guys. Hindi ka mapapahiya dito. Pati sa traffic, ay nako, may konting init lang yan dito sa betlog mo, okay? So, sa mga lalaki, yan. Pero, man, ang handling nito sa traffic, sobrang suwabe. Hindi siya nakakapagod. But anyways, we're here for the Express 500 SC. You gotta test ride this bike. You gotta see this bike to believe. Okay, believe. Man, 278,000 pesos. Thank you very much, FKM Express 500 SC. This is Coach E. Ride safe.